welcome back to RachandBella Crafts. Rachel here, hope you're all well. So you are joining me today for my collaboration video. I am doing a collaboration today with Julie from Camellia Crafts, and our prompt is a tranquil tucks. Now I laughed all afternoon because I thought, I don't know who on earth thought it'd be a good idea for me to do a prompt that has the word tranquil in it, because obviously normally my channel is anything but tranquil. So I'm going to try and be tranquil for you this afternoon. Before I start, can I please start by saying a huge happy birthday to Julie at Camellia Crafts, because it is in fact her birthday today. And I'd just like to wish her well and hope that she has a wonderful day. Also to apologise for yesterday's mix-up, because yesterday you would have had on your schedule Artie Maze Down with Kathy's Garden. Unfortunately, I made an error. I had missed the message that she wasn't available until April, so I've now swapped with her. I put a video up for yesterday. Unfortunately, didn't have anything to do with Serene Snippets, so I do apologise for that. But you will now find Artie Maze, Andrea. She's over on the 10th, and she'll be doing a garden song. I've updated the prompt list, and you can re-download it from Ko-fi from the same place. So apologies for any confusion caused yesterday. Okay, so I'm going to do a really quick and simple tutorial for you today, because obviously you've got a lot of videos up now, and I know that for some of you it gets a little overwhelming. You're trying to keep up, and I don't want to add to that. So I'm going to do a really quick project with you today for your tranquil tucks. So I simply have a page from the kit, and I have taken 4 of the whale tabs out of Angela's ephemera kit, and I've pre-inked them. Now my ink is a little heavier than it should have been, because obviously I'm meant to be bright and shabby today, which is a little different to what I've been working with, but I've used my ink and I picked the wrong one, so ignore my heavy ink and just think of it as bright and shabby, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these little tabs, and like I said, we're going to keep this really nice and simple and straightforward, but I just thought this would be a really cute little layout for us on our pages. Now obviously you can add further embellishments to these, you can stitch around them, do all sorts of lovely things, but for the sake of this demonstration I am going to just simply stick them down like so. I'm going to pop one here. Now you can have these nice and straight if you want, or you can lay them in a haphazard fashion. You could put them on as 2 on a page, you could put them on as a set of 3, you could put them on as just 1 on a page, you could do this with a large one, all sorts of things. But I'm going to just do this cute little layout a minute, because this is just what came into my mind when I sat down and thought, what am I going to do today for tranquil tucks? Because of course we had so many amazing ideas. We had the secret pockets, all sorts of things came out of that. I mean, that was a phenomenal day, wasn't it? And I didn't want to overload with too many ideas, because me being me, I was going to do like 10 terrific tucks, and then I thought, oh, this is going to get too much, Rach. So instead I'm going to bring you something really simple. So you'll notice I've got my little tranquil tag here. So what I thought we would do is we would turn these little what are they called again? Whale tabs into window boxes. So they're going to look like window boxes on, you know, on your windowsill. And we're going to stuff them with our flowers. So there'll be little tuck spots. Do you see where I'm going with this? Okay. So I have got here all my my cutout flowers, and I'm going to just see what I've got that will fit into these, and then we'll decorate the front of them, and we'll add on our little words. So I've got my lovely tulip here, so I thought perhaps we'll pop that in there. That looks rather lovely, doesn't it? And then we've got, oh my goodness, crocuses. I've got to try and remember the names of all these now. Right, let's just take that one arm off there, because that's being a little obnoxious and hanging out of my plant pot. And if this was a real window box, I would hack that off. So let's do that there, and I think I might take that down there as well and just get rid of that one, because this again is a little obnoxious sitting over the top there. So I'm going to just pull that stem out. This is like flower arranging class, isn't it? I hope you've been enjoying yourselves this week, guys, with the tutorials. Haven't they been amazing? Haven't they had some fantastic ideas? I'm literally like, my brain is shaking. There's just been so many good ideas to watch and so many things going on. But it's just been absolutely fantastic. So I know that Julie from Camellia Crafts will be bringing you something equally as fantastic today, which is why I felt quite safe to come to you today with a short little project that I just thought would fit our prompt quite nicely. I've had a busy few days. We've been to Hay on Wye today. I will tell you more about that in my next video because I've got myself a lovely haul of books to share with you all. But I just thought, I think we'll just have a really nice, quiet little project to do. And I just thought it would make a really nice... do you know what I think this would be perfect for? I'm not going to put that one there because I'm getting lost. I think this would be perfect for a centre spread. Now, I really struggle with centre spreads in my journals. So I thought, you know, it'd be good to think of some different ideas for that. I'm being lazy. I'm not cutting out the white bits. I'm just going to go over it. I'm using the antique linen, if you're wondering what ink I'm using, because I'm trying not to ink too heavily. I'm just going around the bits where I've been a bit lazy with my fussy cutting. But I think that one's going to be a bit high there. Maybe that one in there then. And maybe this one down here. Yep, because I'm not worried about going over the one above. Obviously, you can pop a few extras in if you want to. So we've got some snowdrops here. Maybe we could pop those in with the tulip. Very nice. And perhaps a small daffodil in there, maybe. I think that's a narcissi, actually. Oh my gosh, we've seen some beautiful daffodils over the last few days on our drive-in. Really lovely. There we go. Okay, right, so that's my flowers in their tuck spots. So now I just thought we would add some of these because I've picked up some of the little tabs that I've got, these little word sticks, and we've got Serenity, Bloom, Harmony, Eden, Tranquil, Renewal. So I thought, right, well, these are the kind of chill words, aren't they? And I just thought we would just pop a little word on each one with another little decorative thing. So I've got some little circles here that were on one of the fussy cut pages. And I'm just quickly rummaging now to see what else I can find you. Because, I mean, of course, you could use your tuck spots, mind you, to pop your tools in. So, I mean, you could put that in there if you wanted to and have, like, all your, you know, your spades and your shovels and stuff and have those tucked in or something. That might be quite fun. But I'm going to go with window boxes for mine because that's what sparked my imagination. So, I'm going to have this one here. And I'm trying not to overthink this too much now. Perhaps we'll put the pink with the pink. And then we will have Harmony. If only, hey? If only. Well, I hope you enjoy your time with me this evening or this afternoon. And I hope you do find it tranquil and harmonious. Not the usual chaos that you would have when you come visit my channel. And I'm just thinking I may put a little bit of lace behind there just to give it a bit of, you know, just a bit of something, isn't it? So that it's not all kind of, you know. Right, let me just work this out a minute. So I'm going to put that there like so. And then, no more fingers and thumbs this evening. These are tiny pieces and I'm not great with tiny pieces, guys. No, I'm not. Right, there we go. Okay, let's just glue this stuff down, shall we? Yeah. Okay. So we'll put that bit of lace there. Because that can hang out any particular way. And then we'll have our word Harmony. I'd like that sticking just so. But obviously I want my flowers to be free moving, so I don't want to stick that in. Otherwise it's not a tuck spot, is it? If you know what I mean. And then we'll pop that little circle in just to the side there. Very nice. Okay. And then there's another little bit of this lace. Yeah, I'll stick with the older stuff because it needs to look a little bit weathered, even though I'm doing bright and shabby. But I think it is shabby with a bit of lace, isn't it? And then should we have Tranquil then down here? And maybe I'll pop a little bit of lace behind there just to... Oh, I could put the lace behind the word, actually. I might lift it up a bit then, mightn't it? Right. Overthinking this again, Rach. Promise you weren't going to overthink it. Oops. Okay. And then we've got this here. Oh gosh, I hope you can all hear me now. I hope I'm not mumbling really like, you know, like before when you couldn't hear me on my sound and it wasn't working before. I don't want to start shouting now. Right, there we go. Oh, that's nice. I like that. Actually, this is starting to look really nice. I was a bit like unsure when I came up with this idea. And I was like, but I actually really like this. They do look like little window boxes, don't they? Gosh, this would be really nice as a centre spread. Now, perhaps for this one, I'll pop an extra flower on the front to decorate. I need to print some of those in small. Ooh, I know what I've got here. What have I done with it? I had some, a label. Here we go. Right. Is that going to be too big? Or maybe I'll put that one on there. Little postcard. Perhaps we'll just stick that there like that, and then we'll put Serenity. We'll tuck Serenity into it, I think, like so. I need to ink that. Bear with, bear with. That's annoying me there. I'm sorry guys, there's a bit of white on there and it's sticking out against the other. Oh, there we go. Should have worn my other glasses, I think. There we are. Right. I'll put that down like that. Yes, that'll be fine. Right, let me just ink around these carefully. Not too much, not too heavy. There we go. Right, so we'll have one there. Like that. Is that upside down? No, it's all right. We'll have that there like so. But just watch I don't catch my flower in there. There we are. And then we'll put this one then across the bottom there. Like so. And then we'll tuck this in here. And we'll just stick that word there. So let's just lift that up, pop that in, pop that over, and away we go. There we are. That looks rather nice. And then perhaps we'll just put a word here, so it's not too much, do you know what I mean? Let's put a word on the lace. Let's cut this down. There we go. Ink, ink, ink. Probably get more on my fingers than I am anything else. And then if I stick that onto some lace, which goes that, oh, I can't see. That way, I think. That's it. And then we'll put that then there like so. Does it need something else? I'm not sure. That's going to be too big. No, I think that's too many daffodils then. No, I'm going to just go with that. I think it's okay. Right, let's just a bit of glue. I found my little nib by the way. The last time I was showing you all my glue, it was coming out too fast, but I did go back into the box and I found there was a tiny little precision nib, which is amazing. I'm loving this glue. Really loving this glue. There we go, guys. There we are. Yeah, no, I like that. I'm really happy with that. I think that looks fabulous. So there we are. I'm not going to make it any more complicated than it is. It is what it is. It is a tranquil tuck. And I think we've been fairly quick, quite terrific. And I hope tranquil enough for you to enjoy and find it a little bit of therapy this evening. So I've really enjoyed my little project. I hope you have a go. I hope you're really enjoying the collaboration. Please don't forget to go and check out Julie at Camellia Crafts and go wish her happy birthday. Also, just a reminder about the giveaway. There will be a huge giveaway with the collaboration as always. In order to enter, you will need to like and leave a comment on every video in the playlist. The playlist is linked in the link tree that is down below in my description box. It's on everybody's description box. And all of the videos that go into that playlist, just make sure that you like and leave a comment on them, please. And then at the end of the collaboration, I will pick one of the videos at random. And then all of the names from the comments out of that will be put into the comment picker, and then we will pick out people for all of the prizes, and there'll be quite a few. So yes, I'm going to leave you with that, guys. I hope you have a lovely evening and enjoy the rest of your day. And tomorrow you have got Angela Kerr and Nigeza Creates with their blooming bunting. Can't wait to see that. See you all soon. Take care now. Bye bye.